Hello, Qualphone mission leaders. Earlier this year, we recognized that the performance management process could be more meaningful to everyone if it was personalized to their individual roles. That's why in 2019, Qualphone will be shifting from a singular annual focused performance review program to frequent check-ins and continual focus on the future for groups 1 and 3 through an automated system in Connect. How are we going to do that? By recognizing, seeing, and fueling the performance of our employees on a quarterly basis and an annual basis. We will be using the Connect Performance Management module to create meaningful performance goals for those who are in the supervisor and above classification. Check-in meetings with your leader will help drive conversations to grow the business. You will sign on through Connect and be able to update your team's information in an easy-to-use format, and so much more. Stay tuned for more information about training that will be provided on this new process to help you prepare you and your teams for 2019.